Good morning, Year 1, and welcome to the second day of our maths lessons. Today, you're going to need counting equipment for the starter, and then you're going to need to listen again to the retelling of What the Ladybird Heard by Julia Donaldson. And optional, you might want to print out a map again of the farmyard or use the one that you had yesterday, because you can move your figure around, following the path that the thieves went, and you could, if you wanted to, draw out that map as well. So when you're ready for it to start, move the video forward. Okay, so today we're going to be adding and subtracting numbers to 20 and beyond. So you're going to need your counters, etc. However you find the answers to these, and when you're ready, start the video again and I'll go through the answers. Okay, so the first question, probably using number beads. 20, take away 9 of the number beads, give you 11. Now, you could use a commutative law here. 11 plus 9 equals 20, or probably you saw that on your beads. And then 20 minus 11, again, you may well have figured this out from your beads. You could use the commutative law, and that would be 9. And you can almost certainly work out what 9 plus 11 is. That's right, it's 20, because today we're looking at the commutative law. So 20 minus 6. Start with your 20 beads, take away 6, you've got 14. And now 6 plus 14 equals 20. 6 plus 14 over the other side, doesn't matter, equals 20. And 14 plus 6 equals 20. Okay, it gets a bit trickier here, but you probably can guess now what the answer is going to be. With 22, you'd need a number square or a ruler or something like that. 22 minus something equals 7, so you count all the way back to 7 and you'd find the answer is 15. And now we're back onto the commutative law. So 22 minus 7 equals 15. 15 plus 7 equals 22. And 22 equals 7 plus 15. Okay, the last ones are just tricky. You just need to have a think about. So 200 minus something equals 0, and we say whenever you want to get to 0, you take away the same number. So we take away that enormous number from it. And the same here. 111, take away something makes 111. Well, when you want to keep the same number, you take nothing from it. So what do you take from 125? What do you need to take from to get 125? Well, that's got to be 125 as well. And this last one, what do we subtract 125 from to get back to 0? Again, that's 125. So well done, Year 1, brilliant start. And now when you're ready, we're going to move on to the main part of the lesson. You probably are going to want to listen to the video again before you start this part. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that beautiful retelling of What the Ladybird Heard. And now what we're going to do today is you are going to use some kind of figure or counter to move Hefty Hugh and Lanky Len around the farm in the order that they did it. I'm going to let your grown-ups work with you on that, because if I do it, you'll just end up copying it. And I think you're going to find this really exciting, because it's like exploring a farmyard for yourselves. And if you want to, if you print off a map of the farmyard, you can either move your figure on that instead of on the screen, or you could draw the route that they take each time you move something. So this is how we're going to steal the fine prize cow. First thing they're going to do is open the gate at the dead of night. They're going to pass the horse and then turn right. Round the duck pond, past the hog. Be careful not to wake the dog. Left past the sheep, then straight ahead and in through the door of the prize cow shed. So what we want you to do today is have a go at mapping the slightly strange route that the thieves choose in order to get to the prize cow. So that is actually the end of today's lesson. I hope you enjoy everything, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow.